this video, we will explore how to create a TCP listener for HL7 parsing using Mirth Connect. Install Mirth Connect and create new channel. Configure the TCP listener.
Parse the HL7 message. Insource transformer, add new step for generated script of message code and patient first name. Set up the mappings. Followed by clicking John in given name of patient name in patient identification and drag also to mapping of the patient first name. Set. Trim from the mapping integers. Go back to the destinations and you will see the two sets of destination mappings in the transformer. Set connector type into JavaScript and set it according to the needs of the message code and the patient's first name. Rename the destination status to logging values. Save the channel and start it. Click the HL7 parsing channel and click send message and copy the HL7 message. Click proceed message, then click refresh and click search. You will see that the data has been transformed and sent it. Also, you will see the response and received data with particular details. You will see on the dashboard that the message code and patient first name is already appeared in the status.